KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday morning, January 13th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. And after most everyone picked up around a half inch of rain yesterday, we enter a period of extended dry weather that will last until about Thursday. Let's look at the radar this morning. Still a few showers showing up early this morning over eastern Alabama, a little light rain. It's fairly inconsequential. We'll move into Georgia pretty quickly. Should be out of here by 8 o'clock this morning. Temperatures across the area in the 40s. 46 at Birmingham, 40s generally the number, except for the normally colder locations in northeast Alabama, as you would expect, Gadsden, Fort Payne, Albertville, those sort of areas. Watch warning map this morning showing winter storm watches, or really winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories in two swaths. The area from the St. Louis area, which is hard hit by the snowstorm over the weekend, over into Ohio, and a secondary swath that's still kind of ongoing at this hour now, with ice and snow from western North Carolina, the upstate areas of South Carolina, through Virginia, into Maryland, the D.C. area. Still expecting 6 to 12 inches of snow today in the D.C. area, which is quite a storm. And interestingly enough, another storm next weekend is going to bring possibly another foot of snow to the St. Louis area. So they could have as much as 2 feet of snow on the ground by next weekend. Here's the upper level weather pattern across the United States right now. Sort of looks like that last little hill on the old Scream Machine at Six Flags right there. A little bump of a ridge over Texas, Oklahoma, giving way into a little bit of a trough over the southeastern United States. That was enough to produce the wet weather that we experienced, a sort of muddled surface low over the southeast early this morning. Not even worth showing you. 700 millibar moisture kind of shows us the story of what we can expect cloudiness-wise, and you can see here at noon today. Still a pretty good chance of, or still a pretty good layer of clouds, layers of clouds across Alabama and the southeast. It'll be hard to clear for generally areas north of Demopolis, Selma, Montgomery, and Eufaula. We'll see mostly cloudy skies, just a few peaks of sunshine, I think, during the day today. Here's the surface depiction from the GFS at noon today, showing weak low pressure near Nashville. You can see the icing there, southern Virginia, back into western North Carolina with snow over northern Virginia into D.C. and the mid-Atlantic states up into Philadelphia. Here in Alabama, a few lingering showers over eastern parts of the area as well as North Alabama, but that activity will move out pretty quickly this afternoon. Now, going day by day through time, here's Monday at noon, showing Alabama free of precipitation now. High pressure beginning to build to our west over Texas and Oklahoma. That high will spread to the east on Tuesday, moving into the Ark-La-Miss region of Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana, showing Alabama still high and dry on Tuesday. We'll be in the generally in the 40s to lower 50s today. Still some cold air advection going on southeastern parts of our area, down around Eufaula and Auburn. Temperatures actually going to fall during the day today. We'll be generally in the 40s tomorrow across the area, I would think, and then probably 40s again on Tuesday before things start to warm up. Now, tomorrow, still fairly considerable cloudiness tomorrow across the area, with some clearing breaking in here by Tuesday and giving us a little more sunshine. Now, by Thursday, really Wednesday, still more of the same, maybe a little warmer. Temperatures rising into the 50s as we see more sunshine, and we cut off the flow of cold air over that snowpack to our northwest. But by Thursday, another disturbance moving through the Midwest brings another chance of rain to Alabama during the day Thursday, increasing Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. We can see those showers are still with us on Friday. And then they get a renewed push as low pressure develops to our north, along a strong disturbance. There's that storm system that will have affected the St. Louis area, moving into the Great Lakes region. And when it does, we'll see more showers and rain into Alabama on Saturday. Now, this system, obviously, you can see the tightly packed isobars there the thickness values showing very strong cold air advection, and that's going to be the case full on here on Sunday. I think we'll see clearing skies and much colder temperatures. Look at these high temperatures off the GFS for next Sunday afternoon. How about 32 at Birmingham? How about 29 at Muscle Shoals? So you can see next Sunday promising potentially to be a very cold day across Alabama. Now, going forward in time out into Voodoo Country, 2 chances for precipitation. And snow fans, I just can't get too excited. We'll be right on that edge, potentially to get a little snow somewhere in Alabama. But this is Wednesday the 23rd, showing sort of another Arctic front situation coming in with another chance of rain for Alabama. And then for Saturday night the 26th, a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico, perhaps an overrunning situation. We'll have to watch that one very carefully. But for Saturday night the 26th, Sunday the 27th, the GFS painting a little snow into northeast Alabama, and I think that's definitely a possibility that we'll have to watch for. Now, using the European for our temperatures over the next several days, you can see we're in the 40s through Tuesday. We climb back into the 50s on Wednesday. A little warmer as we get into that wet weather pattern for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Expect about 1.5 inches of rain generally across the area. Much colder behind the system. The European not quite as bullish on those cold temperatures for Sunday and Monday, but I think we could stay below freezing next Sunday and Monday if things hold true. And then we go back generally into this relatively cold pattern, highs in the 40s and lows in the upper 20s and 30s. That's your weather video for this Sunday, January 13th. I'll be back with a video next Sunday. James will be back with 2 a day starting tomorrow. And don't forget, next Sunday night is the super blood red wonder duper moon that we will have a lunar eclipse. And first looks at that, even though I didn't share a graphic, looks like we might be able to see it under some clear skies, although it could be kind of cold next Saturday night. So, till I talk to you again, have a great week, and as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.